Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 14th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Snowman Logistic. This is one of the stock which I have picked as a portfolio stock, and I believe this can prove to be a multi-bagger in months to come. Firstly, the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. Now, Snowman Logistic, if you see on this weekly chart, we have a breakout. This is the place where I had spotted this Snowman Logistic, but then I was waiting for a breakout, and it took me few weeks where after which I could see a breakout has happened. And once this breakout has happened, you see on the weekly chart we have RSI very much positive and with a very big volume. If you consider the volume here, this is almost negligible with what we have at this level. So this is a very good breakout, and this is something that we can consider, that this is a sign that it tells that this stock is now going to go up from this level. So one can definitely add this stock with the first target of 90 and stop loss of around 58. Now this is of around 60, and then this is something I believe in few months, let's say conservatively telling from 6 months to 1 year, this can prove to be first level would be first. I'll see that whether it is able to cross 90, and once it is able to cross 90, then the next level will be around 110, 120, and after which we will see a very good bull run coming up here. So this is something definitely one can go long on this. So this is just from the technical perspective, and I believe that whatever fundamentals are there, they are already discounted in the chart. So though we can go and look on the screener that how are the sales and all, but then I believe this the technicals which I see here is currently sufficient for me to tell that this is currently very good, and we can definitely go long on this. So this was the layer from where the breakout has happened, and this is something that from around 2015 it was in this range, and then now after this breakout, this is just 2 years, but still the potential and the kind of breakout we see with the volume and the RSI taking further support down at the level of around 65 says that this is bullish with a good momentum of the long trades on. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.